How to make ocean in Blender. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to make ocean in Blender, you have to open Blender and delete the default cubex and add a plane. Shift plus A mesh and plane. Scale the plane as press S and type 100 and press enter. And after that you have to add the ocean modifier. With the plane selected, you have to go to the modifiers tab, wrench icon, and click add modifiers, then ocean. In the modifier settings, you have to go to the geometry set to generate it, and size adjusted at needed, and resolution 10 to 20 for preview, increase for final render, and choppiness around 1.0 to 2.0 for more realistic waves, and enable generate normals and foam if needed, and animate the ocean optional. And you can also add ocean material like EV or cycles. Go to the shading tab and select the plane. Click new to create a material and use the principled BSDF shader like base color, transmission, and roughness, and add a noise texture bump node for water detail. It's optional. And you can also add an HDR in the world settings for realistic lightings. Go to world properties and then color and then environment texture. Load an HDR like cloudy sky or ocean sunset, and add a camera and frame the ocean from a low angle for realism. And for the render to cycle for EV or for faster results, adjust resolution samples and enable denoise for clean output. Render the image or animation. And some bonus tips: you can use the foam map output from the ocean modifier and plug into the material using a color map plus mix shader to create white foam areas. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.